The mind is biology's greatest mystery, a neural web where thoughts, emotions, and behaviors entwine. But measuring it, that's been guesswork. Enter PsychScope, the AI-powered microscope revolutionizing 2025's mental health landscape. Today we're scoping the psyche, how this tool turns vague feelings into precise data, unlocking biology's role in well-being. Traditional psych scales like the Rosenberg Self-Esteem are rigid, but PsychScope transforms them. It converts validated questions into open-ended prompts, letting users respond naturally. Then, AI extracts features via a construct map, a human-curated rubric tagging linguistic clues like, "I'm a decent person," as positive self-evaluation. No black box magic. Deterministic stats compute scores with confidence intervals, treating AI variability as measurable error. How it scopes. Step 1. Build the map from empirical research. Step 2. AI tags evidence, linked back to originals for transparency. Step 3. Scripts apply psychometrics, yielding scores reproducible across labs. In 2025, this scales to millions of responses, automating qualitative analysis and spotting patterns in depression or anxiety biology, like how gut microbiomes influence mood via neural signals. PsychScope isn't just measurement, it's medicine. It resolves psychology's replication crisis with noise-reduced data, tests interventions for traits like creativity, and bridges life sciences, linking mental constructs to biomarkers for personalized therapies. Imagine scoping ethical reasoning or self-awareness at scale. Biology's mind-body puzzle solved. PsychScope invites us to peer inward. What's one mental layer you'd scope first? Subscribe for more mind-scoping science, like if AI unlocks your psyche, and comment, depression metrics or creativity maps next?